Hi everyone, in this video I will explain about an introduction to linguistics. So here we go. We talk about language. What is language? It is a system of conventional spoken or written symbols by means of which human beings as members of a social group and participants in its culture communicate. And it is expression of ideas by means of sounds combined into words. Words are combined into sentences. This combination ends into that of ideas into thoughts. It is also a system of arbitrary vocal symbols by means of which a social group cooperates. And design features of language are quality of patterning and displacement, openly endedness, stimulus, freedom, arbitrariness, and human vocal. And what we have here is language as means of communication. So language will accommodate the communication among speakers and also listeners, so the speaker delivers the message containing information to the listener. And then the difference between languages. First, languages can differ in the fundamental elements or the rules of communication, and then the units and rules can be different for all of the modules of language, sounds, words, and sentences. But all languages are equally complex. They all have units and rules. Dialects differ in the same way, units and rules. Languages change in the same way, units and rules. Children learn languages in the same way, units and rules. And that any child can learn any human language if exposed to. Linguistics is the scientific study of language that answers the questions: what is language? How is it represented in the mind? It is a social science that shares common ground with other social sciences such as psychology, anthropology, sociology, and archaeology. It also involves other disciplines such as English, communication studies, computer science, surgery. Comes from the Latin word lingua, which means language. Ferdinand de Saussure, the father of modern linguistics, in his book, of course, The Linguistic General, proposed the terms leggage, leggy, and parole. Leggage means language in general. Leggy means a particular language. Parole means the language of an individual. Linguistic knowledge performance. Linguistics studies what people know when they know a language. Most of the time, we read what people know, why what they do. But sometimes, what people actually do does not brilliantly indicate what they know. Someone with a limited skill knows the language. They just have a medical physical problem performing during speech. Many external factors can affect performance. Linguistics abstracts away from those complicating factors to study the true system of the knowledge. But we must use what people do to discover and test our theories about what people know about language. Much of linguistic knowledge is implicit. That is, people are not confused on what they. Linguist is someone who engages in studying linguistics, focuses on describing and explaining language, not arguing with the prescriptive rules of the language. Is not an interpreter, not required to know many languages, and the goal is to discover the universal consonant language. While the views of language are synchronic versus diachronic linguistics, theoretical terms like linguistics, microlinguistics versus macrolinguistics. Disciplines within linguistics are first phonetics, and then phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, language acquisition, and others. Phonetics is the study of the production and perception of speech sounds. It is concerned with the sounds of language, how these sounds are articulated and how the hearer perceives them. It is also related to the science of acoustics, that is, uses much of the same techniques in the analysis of sound that acoustics does. While phonology is the study of the sound patterns of language, is concerned with how sounds are organized in a language, examines what occurs to switch sounds when they are combined to form a word and how these switch sounds interact with each other, and affords to explore what these phonological processes are in terms of. And then morphology is the study of word formation and structure, studies how words are put together from their small parts and rules governing the syntax. Syntax is the study of sentence structure, attempts to describe what's grammatical in a particular language in terms of rules. Syntax also gives rules detail on underlying structure and a transformation process. And then semantics is the study of meaning. It is concerned with describing how we represent the meaning of a word in our mind and how we use this representation in constructing sentences. Semantics is based probably on the study of logic in philosophy. Language acquisition examines how children learn to speak and how adults learn a second language. It is very important because it gives us insight into the underlying processes of language. Language acquisition suggests that all languages operate with the same framework, and the understanding of this framework will contribute greatly to the understanding of what language is. Language acquisition is the child first language acquisition. Children have to learn language from scratch, although the capability to speak is inherent in everyone. There are certain milestones and stages of language acquisition during the child's first months and years. Second language acquisition. Some aspects of second language acquisition are similar to first language acquisition. The learner has already acquired learning techniques and can reflect on how to learn fast. However, many languages depend on the personality, age, intelligence, and active learning strategies of the learner. The other disciplines related to linguistics are neurolinguistics, psycholinguistics, social linguistics, historical linguistics, anthropological linguistics, pragmatics,